Adjusting of SAP HANA database parameters. If you intend to use the upload or download function of the model table function, you need to adjust the following parameters in the SAP HANA database. Log on to the SAP HANA database of your system within the SAP HANA Studio. Choose the system. To go to the Configuration tab, right-click on the system, then choose Configuration and Monitoring, then open Administration. Open the node index server _ini. Open the node open bracket and close bracket import _export. Set enable _csv _import _path _filter to true. Set csv _import _path _filter to the application server directory to which users can import files. An example of this is /usr/sap/trans/hana. Click Save. Now, SAP HANA database parameters have been adjusted.